accidentally deleted an app from your iPhone's home screen? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy ways to restore your deleted apps. Let's dive into the solutions. Before you do anything, it is recommended to open App Store. Find out the app that you accidentally delete from your iPhone. If you find the app on App Store, install it to your device. But if you can't even find the app here, then follow the following process. Solution 1, turn off restrictions. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap Allowed App. Make sure to turn on all the app from here. Also turn off the content and privacy restrictions. Solution 2, unhide the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down, tap Hidden App. Here, verify your identity and make sure to unhide the app. Solution 3, reset home screen layout to recover your apps on iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone, tap Reset. Here you need to select home screen layout. Make sure to reset this. After that, check your lost app or the app you anciently delete. After that, check your lost app or the app you accidentally delete. So that's how you can restore accidentally deleted apps on your iPhone. If this video helped, hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.